Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you some of the renders using Wonder AI generator. This is the Android version, and I got some really nice results, although it actually generates low resolution images, 1K 24 1:1 aspect ratio. The renders are very good. I mean, I was actually surprised, although I have to say that sometimes I got things that are repeated. I don't know why. Maybe it's a bug, I don't know. Anyway, maybe it was very close. Anyway, I'm going to show you the images so you can see how they look. So here you can see some of the renders, and I can tell you that I was surprised by the quality that I get. I tried different things, but I mean, it generates really good quality. I mean, listen, it's far from having the advanced features that Midjourney has, but for some type of AI art, it's actually incredible. So things that I probably wouldn't be able to get, at least not easy as I get it with Wonder. And yeah, so basically again I just get 1:1 aspect ratio, and also again, because this also limits the render, again especially in Midjourney, by the way, you know, when you change the aspect ratio you can really change how the image looks. I mean, especially if you're going with landscape, for example, or you want to create something tall. So it's very important to have aspect ratio to play around with the composition. Although in this case, well, I'm just stuck with 1:1. That being said, still, the images look incredible. So, I mean, I tried things like characters, fantasy characters, and anime and stuff, and really the results are incredible. I will continue experimenting with it. I spent around, I think, like 2 hours today with it. And again, once you kind of nail something good and you start generating, you get some really incredible results. So for example, I just sat today and I was a bit tired anyway, and we're just sitting on the couch and just continue generating more and more of these unicorn images. And I mean, I was surprised each time I press this refresh button, I get something incredible. This is not something, by the way, I can say on Midjourney. It takes me sometimes so much time to get something that I want. And actually, you know, because it's low resolution, it actually renders it very fast. So it takes, you know, just several seconds, you get one, you continue generating. Each time you're gonna get two, but still it generates pretty fast. So basically I was just testing out other AI art generators for mobile, and basically I came across several ones. I'm gonna share reviews of them once I spend more time. But again, Wonder actually was the better one when it comes to results, where the other ones gave you, for example, an option to bring a reference image. But again, the results were very underwhelming, even without that. And there even I can change the aspect ratio. Anyway, for me it's important to get very high quality results, and hopefully more frequent good ones, and Wonder actually allows me to do that. Look at those incredible images. You probably think to yourself, oh, why do you probably render, I don't know, like I don't know, 2,000 images just to get? No, I mean, there was just a few images I probably didn't save. Most of them I just saved because they were just incredible. Really, each time I just press render, I get some good stuff. Now, of course, it doesn't mean that you're going to get each time you're going to get something good, but I just chose a specific subject because I like playing around, seeing what I get, and try to fine-tune things, because this allows me to kind of see the limitation of the AI model for certain things. If I try to kind of switch and play with words and see, you know, how far I can actually stretch, what I can actually do with a specific AI art generator. I still need a lot of time to spend with this, but overall, I'm very pleased. Very pleased. Especially when it comes to characters. I mean, this is quality. It's not grungy. It's not noisy. It's not dirty. It's very sleek looking. But of course, you have to choose specific styles. And I think this is the main reason why Wonder actually produced such good results, because it's for specific styles. It just generates incredible images. Whether it's kind of a Midjourney is kind of a very wide, and that's why you can get some really amazing artistic result. But in some ways, you know, sometimes you get very noisy and dirty and grungy result that you don't want. and when you upscale, it adds more details, although of course there are other options to reduce that. It generates kind of images that look a bit too dirty, you know what I mean, in quotations. So yeah, it works very, very well. Yeah, so I don't know how to describe it. Maybe kind of a pixel quality results. Yeah, very, very impressive. And yeah, so what can I say? Definitely recommend trying it out. I just wanted to bring some examples to try it myself. Take one subject, try to render and show you the results. And hopefully you'll be convinced to try it out yourself. Again, I'm going to try more. I'm not saying that it will work for everything, but I have a feeling that based on what I tried, by the way, it works well for the other categories, but I need to spend more time, basically. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did try it, tell me how it works out for you. And I'm going to see you more with other apps, and hopefully we're going to find some really great ones. This one, very, very good. So make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody.